Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for coming today in this virtual conference. I'm Sandi Lesmana from Applied Linguistic Graduate Programs to State University of Jakarta. I'm looking forward to present to you today about my paper. The title is French Learning in Islamic Elementary School Araudo during the COVID-19 pandemic. This paper is conducted by Prof. Yumna Rashid, MPD, Dr. Sri Harini Ekawati, MPD, and me, Sandi Lesmana. This presentation will be delivered in four sections. First, introduction. Second, research method. Third, findings and discussion. And the last, conclusion. Now, I'd like to start this presentation by telling you how the pandemic of COVID-19 gave a huge impact to our society. COVID-19 is a pandemic which is already spread all over the world. The virus entered Indonesia about March 2020 until now. COVID-19 forced the society to have social distance between others, using masks in any places, and keeping their self hygiene by washing their hands or using hand sanitizer. The situation has changed people's way of life, including their way to learn in school. Education is one of the sectors who gained the impact of COVID-19. In this pandemic situation, the learning process should be done at home. As the result, online learning is chosen as the alternative learning process. As the shifting of face-to-face learning to online learning, there are many changes which can be found in the learning process. So, the purpose of this research is to review the learning component during the pandemic. The research used descriptive qualitative method by providing that data include interview transcripts, field record, photography, videotape, personal document, memo, and other official recording as research data. Informants in this research are all teachers of French and headmaster of this school, SDT Araudo. The research used the review of Goulo's learning component. The learning components are the purpose of teaching, teachers, students, subject material, teaching method, and teaching media. The purpose of teaching. Some adjustments in the French language online learning were made because of the limitation of time and duration in online teaching. Before pandemic, they learn for about 60 minutes, and during pandemic, they learn for about 50 minutes. Teachers need to manipulate the learning process and purpose to reach the learning goal in limit time. Next, teachers. There are three French teachers in the school. During the pandemic, the learning held in any kind of conference application, such as Google Meet, Zoom, Webex, and etc., which is delivered in PowerPoint animation animation presentation. The obstacle was in student technical problem which forced the teacher to stand by for the question or student or parents explanation in unusual time, and also the teacher have to have a high creativity. Next, students. Students already gain the capability to operate the learning media, gadget, conference, application, and others, but find an ineffectiveness when they need to wait for their parents in case of the unclear explanation from teacher, and also the connection problem which make them left from the learning process. Learning material. The learning material of French language in face-to-face and online learning is similar based on the syllabus. For learning method, the French language learning method, as in face-to-face learning, delivered with the communicative approach to make students be able and useful in communicating using French and be guided by teacher. While in pandemic, students learn through conference application, which is often trapped in technical problem in and out of the application. Learning media. The learning media in French online learning is PowerPoint, which is contain the learning materials being taught in Zoom, Meet, Webex, and etc. The PowerPoint sometimes also switch by the Powtoon presentation as learning video, and the learning video will be sent by WhatsApp group. This is the example of learning video. And the PowerPoint. So, the conclusion. The learning purpose in French online learning is adjust according to the time limitation, while the learning material is similar. The obstacle in teacher, student, learning media, and learning material is basically the same. The technical problem which made student can exist all the time in the online platform and also give impact in communication time between teachers, student, and parent, which is sometimes happens in appropriate time, night or late night. That is all of my presentation. Hope that it will give a new insight in education, especially in the learning process during the pandemic COVID-19. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.